Just because a car is old doesn't mean it can't be exciting. My passion for sports cars has never faded, but reality hits different. I need a spacious, practical car for daily commutes and school runs. So why not have both? I'm transforming my old car into a bold, powerful, and sporty machine. First things first, I swapped out the stock wheels for a set of larger, aggressive rims to enhance grip and stance. To complement the new wheels, I redesigned the fenders, giving the car a wider, more commanding presence. The transformation is well underway, and the car is already looking like a completely different beast. But this is just the beginning. Next up, I'll refine the bodywork, add the final details, and apply a fresh coat of paint to complete the project. Got any ideas to make this build even better? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for following along.